Hi, my name's Rob and I take care of the wisdom teeth extractions here at Proactive Dental. Wisdom teeth are the last teeth to come through at the back of your mouth. Usually happens between 18 and 25 years of age, and because we're young adults by this stage, we're considered a little bit wiser, and that's where the name comes from, wisdom teeth. Most people have all 4 wisdom teeth, 2 up the top and 2 down the bottom. It's interesting that about 1 in 3 people will be missing 1 or even more of their wisdom teeth. And in some rare cases, some people might even have extra wisdom teeth. You may have heard your dentist mention the word impacted before. This just means that the tooth hasn't come through all the way like it's supposed to, in the time that we expect it to, and it's unlikely to do so. Wisdom teeth are by far the most common teeth for this to happen with. But because it does happen so commonly, we've been able to refine the process to be able to remove them as comfortably for you and as pain-free as possible. Some wisdom teeth will come through and you'll never have any problems and you have plenty of space for them. In other times, problems can occur. If they're crowded, they could be leaning sideways and rub against your cheek, causing ulcers and chewing difficulties. Brushing these teeth can be pretty difficult as well. Food and bacteria and can get caught in between the wisdom tooth and the tooth in front. This can lead to tooth decay and other problems like gum soreness and gum disease. And then in some serious cases as well, can lead to infection, which can have some bit more ongoing consequences. People have wisdom teeth removed for some of the reasons just mentioned. However, these can sometimes make their removal a bit more difficult and your recovery lasts a little bit longer as well. What my biggest tip would be is just to have them assessed. This can be done during your normal checkup, or you can have a separate consult to have that done as well. People have wisdom teeth removed at all ages, but if they are going to cause a problem, we can usually tell pretty early on if that's going to happen. When we're younger, wisdom teeth can be removed much easier, and the recovery is usually a lot nicer as well. Regardless of your age or other factors, we will plan the procedure to best suit you and make sure it goes as smoothly as possible. Wisdom teeth are way at the back of the mouth. They're usually tucked in underneath the gums and close to some important areas as well. Because of this, most of the time we recommend it be done by someone who's had done extensive training in oral surgery. Every case is different, but to remove 4 wisdom teeth, that can range from 30 minutes to 90 minutes. We'll be able to assess your case at your consult and give you the best idea and best way forward to have them removed. Here at Proactive Dental, we take our time to make sure you're as numb as possible so you don't feel anything during the procedure. We also have many techniques that we can use to distract you and keep you as comfortable as possible during the procedure. Most people can have the procedure done with happy gas alone. Recovery time is usually within the first few days after the procedure. We'll also follow you up about 2 weeks afterwards, make sure everything is going as planned. So if you have any concerns about your wisdom teeth, feel free to come in and book a consult with myself or one of our friendly dentists here at Proactive Dental.